Welcome to your guiding star. If you're here, you're probably searching for something deeper, a sense of direction, purpose, or just a little more peace in the chaos of life. I get it. I've been there. That's why I created this channel and the framework I'm about to share with you. It's called the Guiding Star Framework, and it's built on 5 transformative phases. Phase 1 is stillness. Before you can move forward, you have to pause. That means quieting the outside noise, turning down the world's expectations, and finally tuning into your own voice. It's about becoming present, right here, right now, and reconnecting with yourself. Because before you know where you're going, you have to know who you are. Next is vision. Once you've found some clarity, it's time to dream, but with intention. What really matters to you? What are your core values? In this phase, I guide you to reconnect with your purpose and visualize a future that feels authentic, not just impressive on paper. This isn't about someone else's dream, it's yours. Phase 3 is identity. Here's where things get real. Lasting change doesn't come from willpower alone. It comes from building identity-based habits. Small, daily actions that reflect who you want to become. In this phase, I'll help you rewire limiting beliefs and strengthen your self-concept. So your habits aren't just things you do, they're who you are. Then comes momentum. Purpose without action turns into regret. I know it's scary, but you build clarity through movement, by taking imperfect, brave steps forward, even if you're not sure. This phase is about building discipline and pushing through fear and resistance. Here, courage matters more than perfection. Finally, phase 5, integration. Mastery isn't about hustling harder, it's about living in alignment consistently. This phase is about creating sustainable rituals, regular self-alignment reviews, and learning to reflect, realign, and refine your path as you grow. Because your guiding star is always there, but sometimes you need to adjust your sails. So if you're ready to find your direction, live with intention, and become the person you're meant to be, you're in the right place. Subscribe, join our journey, and let's make your life a little brighter, one phase at a time. Welcome to your guiding star.